Hey y'all. Okay, you remember the other day when I made that post that said they are done with ENS and ESI and now they're moving on to bigger and better and more exciting things, more exciting curriculum? Well, it's time. They are 18 days old today, and on day 18 we start our loud noise exposure. So one time a day, we will do a loud noise exposure, whether it be dropping something hard on the floor, or tonight is going to be 3 short little bangs on a pot. And every day it is different. We never do the same thing twice, and it's always different. So we lead up to, where they're not scared of the vacuum or the carpet cleaner or loud noises. And we do this once a day, every day, and we will continue to do this until they go home. So until they are no longer being raised by me and they are in their forever homes, we will do, starting today, loud noise exposure every single day. So I do this as part of their curriculum, and this is today's little curriculum, loud noise exposure. And then now that their ears are opening, and actually pretty much done opening, I leave that TV on. I talked about this the other day. I leave the TV on in the puppy room 24/7. So even if I step out of the room to go start the puppy laundry or something, or go let Maggie out for a potty break, there's noise exposure going on the TV, and I'll play different stuff every day, like fireworks, heavy traffic, groups of people, like city sounds and all that stuff. So let's get started on this curriculum. So let's go take our pot and our spoon and go do, I came in the kitchen to get it, go do our loud noise exposure for day 18 and get this advanced curriculum started. And this is only a very small slitherin of the curriculum that we do, which we will show you later. Ignore the random stain on my shirt that I got from the kitchen to in here, helping the baby with something. But they were not bothered by it, and that's exactly what we want. As you can see, we had a couple, do a little flinch, but nobody panicked. Nobody woke up and started crying or whining. They can hear it, as you can see. But this is exactly what we want. We did just start this, so there's going to be many, many, many more days of noise exposure, and we will increase the noise as they get older. But that was a great first day. I'm super proud of them, and our goal is to desensitize them to noises, small, medium, and big, so they can sleep through it. They don't get anxiety over loud noises or get scared and startled and not be able to recover from that quick stress. So they're doing great.